Good morning students. In this video session we are going to revise two questions from the chapter profit and loss. The exercise 10a. I have taken two questions, that question number 17 and 18. So the first question is, Meenakshi sells a pen for rupees 54 and loses 1/10 of her outlay. Then they have asked us, find the cost price of the pen and the loss percent. So let us see the first question. So here it is given that Meenakshi sells a pen for rupees 54 and she loses 1/10 of the outlay. Of the outlay here means whatever was the cost price. Of that one she has lost 1/10. Now first question is to find the cost price. The second is to find the loss percent. So here if I take, let the cost price be x, that is solution 17 I am doing. So here if I take, let the CP, that is cost price of the pen, be rupees x. So I have considered the cost price of the pen be rupees x. Now what is the loss? So loss is, so here we can write loss is equal to 1/10 of outlay. Outlay I told you of CP. So here we will write that is x by 10. So this much C is losing. 1/10 of CP, 1/10 of x, that is equal to x by 10. Now she has sold the pen for rupees 54. So here SP, if we here SP is equal to rupees 54. Now whenever there is a loss, so you know that SP is equal to what? CP minus loss. From CP we have to minus loss, means this 54 is equal to x minus x by 10. So we can write like this also, that is x minus x by 10 is equal to 54. Now if I take the LCM, so I will get here 10. So I got 10x minus x is equal to 54. Now 10x minus x is what? 9x. 9x by 10 is equal to 54. Now what we will get? So we can write here 9x is equal to what? 54 into 10, cross multiplication. So now we can write here x is equal to 54 into 10 by 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 6 is 54. So x is equal to what? So x is equal to 6 into 10, that is equal to rupees 60. So we got x is equal to 60, and x we have taken the CP of the pen. So we will write here, therefore the CP of the pen is rupees 60. Okay. So here we will write CP of the pen is rupees 60. So this is how you will get the first answer, that is CP of the pen. Now they have asked us to find the loss percent. So second part when we are doing, so we know that loss is equal to, first you find the loss. So loss is equal to what? CP minus SP. So CP is 60 minus SP is 54. So when I subtract, I get rupees 6. So 6 rupees loss he has or she has made. Now they have asked us to find the loss percent. So you should know loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100. So loss is here 6, CP is 60, then multiply this with 100. So this 0 got cancelled, 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6. So her loss percent is 10. So she had occurred a 10% loss. So this is how you will get the answer of question number 70. Now we will solve the question number 80. So now we are going to see the question number 18. So 18 here it is given that a dealer gets rupees 940 more. Instead of selling a table at a loss of 10%, it is sold at a gain of 10%. To find the cost price of the table. So a dealer is selling a table and he gets 940 rupees more if he sells that one table at a gain of 10% instead of selling at a loss of 10%. He will get 940 rupees more if he sells the table at a gain of 10% in place of selling at a gain of loss of 10%. So now we need to find the cost price of that table. So here what we will do, again we will take, let the CP of the table be rupees X. So here we will take, let the CP of the table be rupees X. Now if we have taken the CP as X, now in the first case he is making a loss of 10%. So what will be the SP if he is selling the at a loss of 10%? So we will calculate SP. So here we can calculate SP at 10% loss. So we know that SP's formula, SP is equal to what? You know that 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. So here we will do what? 100 minus 10 by 100. Now CP we have taken as X. So we will get here what? That is 90 into X. So 90X by 100. So this is the SP at 10% loss. Now in the same way you calculate SP at what? 10% gain. So here we will find SP at 10% gain. So when it is gain, what we do? We write here SP is equal to 100 plus gain percentage by 100 into CP. So here we will write 100 plus 10 by 100 into X. So here we will get 110 by 100X. So SP at 10% loss is this much and SP at 10% gain is this much. Now according to the question, the difference between these two is 940 rupees when it is sold at gain of 10% and when it is sold at a loss of 10%, the difference is 940. So what we will do here, that Gain 1, we got the SP as 110x by 100. When we subtract the loss one, that is 90x by 100, we should get this 940. The difference between these two. Now when you subtract this part, left hand side, 100 is there, so we can take the LCM 100. So here you will do 100, 10x minus 90x is equal to 940. So here we will got 110 minus 90, we will get 20x. So 20x by 100 is equal to 940. So here we will write what? 20x is equal to 940 into 100, cross multiplication. Now here x is equal to what? 940 into 100 by 20. So now this 0 and this 0 got cancelled. 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 7 are 40. That is x is equal to 47 into 100. That is 4,700. So x we got as 4,700, and x, here you see on the top you have written let the CP of the table be rupees x. So x we got 4,700. So we will write here, therefore the CP of the table is rupees 4,700. So this is how you will get the answer of question number 18. So I hope you have understood and you will try to solve this type of questions that are given exercise. Thank you.